area Barcelona says, but it's very city, nothing like Madrid.
But when you come on holiday, you have to walk.
You have to walk. Oh wow, look at those fruits and veggies.
And you can smell its freshness.
Yeah.
It's lovely, isn't it? You could cook. Do you said if you use a kitchen to cook?
Who you think coming on vacation to cook? I don't even cook when I'm home on my days off. Oh my god, these shrimp are ridiculous. Oh, this is seafood heaven. Look at all these spices, just peppers.
I love to smell it.
Chocolate?
I want to take some stuff on for the
You didn't want to do the chocolate?
No. I want something specifically from here, like they do like a nougat nugget. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to turn.
Look at all these spices.
I know.
Very you. Very soft. And the sauce that you're bathing, I promise you, you're going to the right place right now. Okay? I'm going to take my time with you. You're the last one. So I am on the lobby for the Airbnb that I'm staying at. And it's actually really pretty. It's very colorful and comfy. But it's not a place I will stay long. This is where you just stay in for a few days and you'll be out most of the time. But it is cute. Oh, there go the stage. So it's early. There's people just sitting out here drinking.
Get their seat ready for the concert. Nothing now move us themselves.
What drink to them are content. Oh, costumes and stuff. Ooh, these are cool. These are cool though. Oh my goodness. I wonder what festival this is, because that's the pictures right there. Look at all this stuff. It's good to know.
Tú me has dicho que eres alguna vez, no he sabido responder seriamente. De hecho, gracias, descubrí mi timidez.
This is scary, Nakara. Where are you taking us? Where are you taking us? Huh? To the dungeons? And drop on the people, I'm something now. This is like some evil stuff. Yeah. Look at this. Ooh.
alrededor mirando cómo el hombre pescaba todas las monedas. Sí, eso era un espectáculo.
Dale.
Pero miren cómo se las ingenió para ganarse la vida. Y todavía supone.
This is some good footage I have that I buck up into. Yeah. If I don't get it by somewhere, I can get a desk and write it down so I can use it.
Et también, ils viennent de Didier Fleuret, parce que la manière la plus digne de leur rendre hommage, c'est de faire cramer ici. Et pas là-bas. Oui. Ça va et toi?
Me too. Somebody in there. Oh!
Ja l'he vist, ja l'he vist. Els dos pirates que estan a baix, un d'ells dos ja...
Aquesta mania de destrossar-ho, perdó,
A última hora, a última hora.
So freaky. That means this is scary at night.
Pon l'Escarlio primer, el micro, a veure, al 57 el pon l'Escarlio, què és? Vale, és aquest, llavors, ja està. Ara ja et pots escoltar.
Sí, sí, sí. Mira, el Kraken, les ventoses.
You see my face, like, where is he? So it's like,
This is so weird. This is not weird, but it's so different. Why is everything like this?
it's multiple. We probably haven't even touched on half of these.
Petit.
This has got some voodoo mess though. your experience on this festival, this Garcia Festival?
It's amazing. Too many mamacita. Boricua lindas.
See what I have to pull up with? Anyway, are you having a good time?
Lovely time.
So apparently he's taken, so I've been blocking. That's what big sisters do, right? Yep.
Are you hesitating to say so?
She's right.
Yeah. It's been an interesting day. Barcelona is a lot of things going on. There's so much going on. There's no way you can do this in a short period of time. Absolutely not. So we're a little bit exhausted, and we're gonna try and do some more stuff tonight and a few stuff tomorrow. There's so much stuff we know we won't get to do.
I'm hurt. Tell her get off of me, people. Big girl.
Anyway, check in. Good morning. It's our last day in Barcelona, and we're gonna run a little, then we're gonna do a tour and see the Gotham area. I think that's what it's called. We'll see. But I say.
Barcelona. Many people they call Gaudi Sagrada Familia.
Check out this McDonald's in Barcelona. How come we don't have that in the US? What happened? You got all that goodies. Barcelona has been real. Back to Madrid. Had a great time. Some interesting stuff. I'm gonna miss it a little bit, but gotta go back to Madrid now.